Newliners, Lauren here. Today, we're going to explore Whiteboard and how you can import images, web pages, and YouTube into your Whiteboard setting. So from the Whiteboard, on the bottom left-hand corner, you will see 3 horizontal dots that we call the 3 buttons of fun. When you tap on that, if you scroll just a little, you're going to see all 3 items we just mentioned. We're going to start with search image. Once you find search image, go ahead and tap on that. This resource is great for things like in the middle of class or a meeting. If someone asks a question and you need to have a photo reference for it, you can search all of Google to find that. Once you tap on it, you'll tap into the search bar here on the left. That will bring up your keyboard. In this case, I'm just going to search for something simple like turtle. You'll press that search or enter button to search Google. You can scroll through all of the pictures that pop up when you search what you're looking for. And when you find the one you like, you simply tap on it and then tap the plus sign to put it into your whiteboard. You can then, of course, long press on that guy to have all of your options to move him around, annotate on top of him, etc. That is search image. Now, those same 3 buttons of fun, when you tap them, you're going to scroll up again to find search web. Once you see search web, go ahead and tap on that. This is also searching all of Google, but you can actually search for things like Wikipedia articles or things like that and crop them to put them into your whiteboard. Let me show you what that looks like. In the search bar, you're simply going to tap, and then your keyboard will pop up again. In this case, I'm going to type something like robot, and then press search here or enter. This will pull up, like a normal Google search, everything that would be there for robot. So I could, of course, choose images, videos. I could scroll up just a little bit and choose the different photos that were here. In this case, I'm going to scroll up to Wikipedia. I'm going to click on it to open it. Now you have some options here for how you'd like to get it into Whiteboard. You could, of course, just scroll through this with your students and explore through the different options under your search. Or if you'd like to crop that and put it directly into your whiteboard to take notes next to it, you can do that as well. You'll notice on the upper part of that search, there is what looks like a camera with a crop symbol on it. If you click on that, let's scroll up just a little so I get the right amount. There we go. If you click on that, you'll see what looks like a snippet tool. I can then move that over and rearrange that size using the tiny little blue triangles in the corner of that square. Once you have exactly what you like in frame, click on the blue check mark here at the top. That will then put a copy of that into your whiteboard, which you can long press on to move around and resize or manipulate just like you would an image like our turtle. That can be any screenshot. So this one included the paragraph and the picture. Whatever you're looking for will be available there under your Google search. And again, that is your 3 buttons of fun here, and that will be under search web. So our first one was search image for our turtle picture, then search web to search all of Google. And now my personal favorite is YouTube. I love this YouTube because within Whiteboard, it is completely ad-free, which is very exciting just for time saving alone. Again, you're going back to that same 3 horizontal dots here, and you're going to scroll. It'll look like this. You're going to scroll up just a little until you see YouTube video. When you click on YouTube video, a search bar will pop up. Tap into that search bar to search for what you'd like to play. In this case, I'm going to search Mozart. Let's say I want to play some classical music for my meeting or my class. I can scroll through all of the search for Mozart, and I'm going to choose the one that I'd like to play. Now this is going to automatically play. You'll hear it in the background here. You can, of course, change the volume at that point. But you can also move this YouTube video around. So I can move it off to the side if I wanted to take notes here. I could also make it full screen utilizing the square to the left of your exit button. Make that full screen while that plays, and then I can go back to small screen. You can move this anywhere around the panel and take notes to the side of it. So today we've covered search image, search web, and of course, search YouTube. Just keep in mind, anytime you're searching any of these, you are searching all of Google and all of YouTube in front of your audience. So be careful what you search for. Thanks so much for tuning in. I hope this helps, and we'll see you next time.